And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz with your latest crypto-related news. BTC explodes to $39,000 today. Bitcoin hits $39,000 for the first time since early 2022. These are the top 5 cryptos as of today, December 1st, and the Fear and Greed Index. It's getting a little hot here at 70% greed. As it becomes more and more green when Bitcoin rallies, the probability of a pullback will be higher, about 30% away. Once it starts hitting between mid 80s and 90s, that is extremely bullish, and a short-term correction could be near. Bitcoin is pretty bullish at the moment. These are the top 5 cryptos as of right now. We have Bitcoin trading around 38,700 at the time of this recording. Ethereum at almost 2,100. Stablecoin $1. BNB still in the game, trading at $228 per token, and it has a $34 million market cap. XRP coming in at number 5. So why is Bitcoin rallying today, going towards 40,000, hitting 39,000? Well, it has to do with this guy right here. This is Fed Chairman Jerome Powell. He's an American attorney and investment banker. He's had Fed chair since 2018. Been Fed chair for about 5 years. He controls the U.S. interest rates. His decisions impact financial markets as he speaks. Every time there's a meeting or he has something to say publicly, he moves markets. That's why we see volatility. He spoke today at Spelman College in Atlanta, Georgia, and he had a few things to say, and this is why the markets are reacting. Well, it's kind of odd why they are reacting, but let's take a look why. Bitcoin hits 39,000 and we see heavy selling at 39,000, people cashing out their money there, and 39,200 is a huge resistant level. It's going to be interesting to see when it breaks out of those levels. On December 1st, the price of Bitcoin surged to $39,000, a level not seen since May 2022. This rally was attributed to the excitement in the market following the latest commentary from the United States Federal Reserve, particularly from Fed Chair Jerome Powell, or Jay Powell. Powell spoke at Spelman College in Atlanta, Georgia, stating that it would be premature to confidently declare the end of the Federal Reserve rate hikes or speculate on when policy might ease. The Federal Open Market Committee's next meeting is scheduled for mid-December, and as of December 1st, market expectations favored a pause in interest rate hikes. This is not really bullish news, but still the markets reacted to it. Despite a cautious tone from Powell, the market reacted positively with Bitcoin bulls overcoming resistance. Powell's comments on the state of the U.S. economy and efforts to reduce inflation appear to boost risk assets sentiment. This is why Bitcoin is up. Let's take a look at the rate probabilities for December 13th. There is a forecast for the next meeting of 97.8% probability that the rates will be unchanged, that they might hike. There's a 2.2% chance that they might hike rates by 25 to 50 basis points. What does this have to do with crypto? Higher interest rates equals bad for crypto. Lower interest rates is good for crypto. And unchanged is a neutral take. Current rates are between 5.25% and 5.5%. And that is what is being forecasted unchanged for the next meeting. We're going to see more volatility as we get closer to the next meeting. And once Jerome Powell speaks, we'll see how that moves the markets. Bitcoin traders observe significant sell-side liquidity at the $39,000 level. That's the level of resistance, with resistance at 39,000 and 39,200. As I mentioned earlier, the nearest substantial buyer support was identified at 38,000. So we're seeing a range between 38,000 to 39,200. Popular traders in the crypto community express optimism about Bitcoin's upward potential, with some predicting a daily close above $38,000 as a strong bullish signal. The overall sentiment in the market suggests that Bitcoin was leaving its previous trading range, and there were expectations of further upside, potentially reaching at least 39,200. We're seeing some new levels for short-term traders between 39,000 and 38,000. So if Bitcoin does go lower to 38,000, that could, potentially for you traders trigger a buy signal, and 39,000 to 39,200 a sell signal for those short-term traders. Let's take a look at the top 5 trending cryptos. As of right now, Terra Classic is trending. This has a $801 million market cap. We have XYO at number 2, Terra Classic USD with a $473 million market cap. At number 4, we have Crypto Asset Governance Alliance. And at number 5, we have IOTA with a market cap of $697 million. These are the top trending crypto tokens to look at for today. If you guys made it this far, I really appreciate if you guys hit the subscribe and like buttons down below. It really helps out the channel, and these videos do take me several hours to put together. I try to confine as much as information in a short term for your latest investment updates. Thank you very much. That's going to wrap it up for this one, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.